Hello everyone, welcome back to Graphic Hunters. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create a sleek D-logo mark using simple grid techniques in Adobe Illustrator. If you want to design a clean, professional logo mark quickly and easily, you're in the right place. I'll guide you through each step, sharing tips and tricks to make the process smooth and enjoyable. By the end, you'll have a unique D-logo that you can replicate or customize however you like. So let's jump in and start designing. First, take the rectangle tool, and while holding Shift, draw a square. To divide the square, drag one side inward to make it half. If you're unable to do it that way, there's an alternative method. Select the square, go to Object, select Path, and then select Split into Grid. Under Split into Grid, set the number of columns to 2 and click OK. As you can see, the square is now divided evenly. Now, select one half of the square and use the Direct Selection tool. Click the top 2 corners of this half and curve them inward like this. Next, select the other half and with the Direct Selection tool, curve the top and bottom corners. Great. Now select everything and switch the fill color to stroke color. Increase the stroke weight as desired. I'm setting mine to 20 Pete. Select this half part of the square and rotate it 90 degrees. Select everything again and align it to the center. Select everything again. Now go to Object. Select Path and choose Outline Stroke. While everything is still selected, go to Object, select Path, and choose Offset Path. Set the offset to half of your stroke width. Since I used a 20 Pete stroke, I'll set the offset to 10 px. Click OK. With everything selected, take the Shape Builder tool, make sure the fill color is turned on, and hold Alt to delete these specific parts. Then, delete the 2 remaining unnecessary objects. And there you have it. Our D logo is complete. With just a few steps, we created this clean, professional look. If you follow these steps, you'll be able to design a D logo mark quickly and easily. Due to time constraints, I won't be adding voiceovers for the remaining 5 D logo marks. But watch closely till the end, and you'll see how each one comes together on the grid. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on creating a sleek D logo mark using grids in Adobe Illustrator. If you followed along, you should have a clean, professional design ready to go. Don't forget to like this video if it helped and subscribe to Graphic Hunters for more logo design tips and tutorials. Let me know in the comments if there are other styles or letters you'd like to see next. And as always, keep designing and keep creating. Until next time, take care.